In this video series, you will follow the path of a Durham Region apple on its journey from farm to plate. The apple has been picked from the orchard and transported to storage. As the apple arrives at Algoma Orchards plant, it's immediately moved to a storage room. The apples are stored in a climate-controlled room until they're ready to be cleaned, sorted, and packaged. This part of the apple's journey from farm to plate takes great care to make sure the apple quality is maintained and up to standard. Here you can see the Apple Quality Lab, where the apples can be tested for imperfections such as structure, color, sugar content, and more. When a batch of apples is ready to be removed from storage, it goes through a series of steps. The tote of apples is first dumped into a water bath. The apples will float along the water to the apple sorting robot. The apples are sorted by sensors and lights, which can quickly identify the apple size, density, and any imperfections which affect the grade or quality level of the apple. Algoma Orchards has an apple cider press, so any apples that don't meet the highest quality or grade 1 for the store, but are still great tasting apples, can be pressed for cider. The robot has the ability to assign a quality level to each apple, and this will determine which packing line the apple will end up in. Here you can see the apples dropping off the line, and this is based on the quality level assigned by the robot. Each group of apples will float to the next stage. They will be rinsed with water as they are removed from the water raceway and are immediately dried and run over rollers to make sure they are clean. There is a lot of technology used in this process, whether it is the sorting, cleaning, counting, weighing, or bagging process. There are several different packaging lines, including bagged apples or apples on trays for grocery store displays. The apples are placed in crates and are ready to be shipped to the apple retailer, which in most cases is the grocery store. Once the apples are packaged in their bulk shipment orders, they are labeled and organized in the warehouse for shipping and distribution. As we mentioned, not all apples look perfect enough for the grocery stores, but they are still excellent quality apples. These apples will be crushed and made into cider. The bottles are sanitized, then immediately filled and sealed automatically to ensure a food-safe, consistent, high-quality product. Algoma Orchards also has a market store at their packing plant where customers can shop for numerous apple products, including fresh apples, apple cider, apple donuts, and more, all made from their apples.